This is the hardest decision I have ever had to make. This is just something that I have to do. It's Paris! Emily, no!
Are you okay, Emily?
They're just bangs, okay? Sometimes people cut bangs, but everything's fine.
This looks good in your bag.
They look good on her. She made it look good. That's the clip of the title character on the popular Netflix show Emily in Paris cutting her own bangs, and it is now what everybody is talking about on TikTok. It is trending, you guys.
That's all I can talk about is what are you going to do with your bangs?
You haven't stopped, don't
All
worry.
right, Old Town Scottsdale, Renee's down there. I mean, it's a commitment, right, Renee? Because you grow out, I mean, like you. The hair coming out of your forehead is pretty long. So if you want, you cut those things. Well, I'm not your absolute.
You want the hairs on the top of your head,
Yes.
not coming out your forehead. But I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah, it's to show off the forehead or not to show off the forehead. And like she said in that video clip, it is close to one of the most important decisions of your life. Right? I mean, I'm here with Sammy this morning at Ohana Salon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, it is a decision and a half, and if you're going to do it yourself, you best know what you're doing.
Exactly.
That's why we're here.
And you need to know how to style your bangs too. That's so important. So we're going to help out a little bit with everything.
Okay, so we're prepping them now, but tell me a little bit about the trends and then walk me through what she's doing.
Okay, so there's multiple different types of bangs. Today she's going to do a full fringe. Everyone needs to know the difference between like the forehead shape, the thickness of your hair. So Anna has really thick hair.
Anna, you're doing this like you're very confident.
She's just going in. So she only took like 2 fingers back so that it wouldn't be such a like thick fringe.
Okay, I noticed that she's, first of all, hold on, Anna, and you're making me nervous. So her hair's dry right now while she's doing that. Is that important?
Okay, so I always like dry bangs because I just feel like it turns out better.
Okay.
Also, if they're wet, they can shrink up when they're dry. So we just always
That
say
would be
dry
tragic.
bangs. Yeah.
Potentially.
Yeah, you don't want too short of bangs. Always go longer.
Anna, you're cutting so fast.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Okay, and then I noticed the angle that she's coming in at.
Yeah. So this, I'll show you once she's doing it. So go ahead, Anna. So this is called point cutting. So basically she's going in vertically and she's, and she's
Why is
just
that
kind of
important?
feathering out. So it gives you a piecey look rather than a straight across look. Yep.
Okay, so that could be a huge mistake, just going a blunt cut right across your forehead.
Exactly, because that there is a look for that, but that's not really the trend right now.
There's 5 people, they're all on magazines that looks good on.
Yeah, like Kendall Jenner could do that, but not everyone can.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so they look great. What is the kind of?
A little too much off.
Oh no! Now she's having just a tiny bit of regret, but it looks like she's left herself a lot of room.
Well, the thing is with like doing your own bangs, if you have to do it, girl. But it's not always. We're here for you if you need. So Anna, really, all she has to do is just kind of point cut more in there.
Wow, this is fantastic. Okay, is there a certain style of face, age of a person that bangs are really best for?
A lot of people just say that, like, if they have a bigger forehead, they like bangs, but it's really anyone. And I would just say if you're down for styling your bangs every single day, then you're a good candidate for bangs. But if you don't have time, bangs are not for you.
Yeah, if you don't have time, bangs are not for you. Okay, so I saw that she brought them all down in front of her face first. They're dry. She cut upwards like this. It looks like she went at a slant.
Yes. And then basically you just want to make sure if you have a strong part at the front here, you want to make sure you diffuse when you're styling and get the paddle brush and kind of go back and forth when you're wet, and then you'll basically have no part here.
Okay, you make that look so easy and good too.
Yeah, and it's fun with her color too.
Yeah. Wow, that looks fantastic. Troy, Des, I don't know. Are you game for cutting your own bangs?
I was eyeballing Dez's, and she's like, "Don't look at my hair." I think she looks really cute. I like
She looks
that.
incredible.
Look how good that looks.
Yeah, that looks good.
Am I next? Well, I figure you can save a little on maybe other products you use on your forehead if you do bangs instead. If you know what I mean.
That's true.
Last time I wore
would look
bangs was in my
great on
20s.
you.
I wore them in my 20s, and that was a few years ago. Decades, years. You know what I mean.
You had bangs in your 20s?
That looks good. I did.
It could be like a little bit of a
Oh,
throwback
we
for
need
you.
a throwback picture.
Yeah,
She
that
looks
was another
good
day.
though. But yeah, I don't think would recommend cutting your own bangs. Don't be eyeing my hair. Mm-mm.